Our journey started as one force. For years, Vedanta has powered progress across industries, communities, and nations. We have catalyzed growth, created tangible impact, set new benchmarks. But every journey reaches a moment where growth demands reinvention. For one force to become many, for one legacy to unlock many futures. 5 focused businesses, 5 engines of growth, one shared purpose transformation. Introducing Vedanta Limited, the engine behind it all. Building today, incubating tomorrow. Vedanta Aluminum, light enough to move the future, strong enough to shape it. Vedanta Oil and Gas, unlocking India's hydrocarbon potential, fueling progress, strengthening energy security. Vedanta Power, the energy behind everyday life, reliable power for a growing economy. Vedanta Iron and Steel, the backbone of modern life, strengthening foundations, building nations. 5 focused businesses connected by one legacy. Together, they will power growth, accelerate innovation, shape nations, enable communities, and create enduring value for all. This is the new scale of our aspirations. This is Vedanta 2.0. This is our future, now set in motion.